I was at a wedding recently in Ontario, and I borrowed some light stands for my second shooter. Inside the light stand bag was a giant 7-foot umbrella, which I was really excited to set up and try out. So as soon as I got home to Vancouver, I purchased a 7-foot parabolic umbrella from Impact on B&H Photo for $59. It just arrived today along with a diffuser panel. So I'm gonna set them up. I'm really excited. Let's see what we have. It's an empty box. Just kidding, it fell out. If you walk downtown with this, you get in so much trouble. Okay. So if you can't see, this is really gigantic. I don't even know if it's gonna fit in my apartment for a test shoot. Might have to take it outside, but we'll see. Oh, there's a nice little button here to help you put it up and down. That's perfect. This lighting accessory transforms your regular lighting umbrella into a giant softbox, projecting a big, even wash over your subjects with only a half-stop loss in brightness. This diffuser is perfect for group shots or scenarios where you need a wide, softened lighting result. Cool. $107 for the Impact 7-foot parabolic umbrella, the diffuser, and 2 sandbags. I should probably keep that. We have 2 sandbags so that when I set up that giant umbrella outside, it's not going to Mary Poppins me all over the place. So I'm setting the umbrella up on my flashpoint lights. These guys are amazing. I shipped them in my suitcase to Ontario, and they worked out really well. Previously, when I would travel, I would often rent lights in my location. Also, I can't believe how long the batteries last on these. I used it for a full wedding, and they're not even 1 bar gone yet. So we're just going to do a few light setups with this. So we'll see if I can hold the reflector myself because I'm too lazy to set up a reflector stand. Okay, so after looking at all the photos, I think that I like the clamshell lighting the best on me. I'm really glad I have this. I can't wait to try it out with a second light outside because my apartment is way too small for this. It's also, I think, really good for video because I have this giant softbox now with an awesome LED light.